Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. This video will be a lens review. Of course, as you can see, I have it in my eyes right now. And this one from Hypnose, and it is called Efsane or Efsane. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry, but it's this one here. It's like all the way around, but it's this one here. It's Efsane. So this is it. And I have a prescription. Yeah, I wear glasses. But anyway, it's this one in my eyes right now. I'm really in love with it. Okay, somehow this morning I feel like I'm out of me. I'm not here somehow, but I wanna record this video for you guys. So yeah, excuse me if I just like fool around. I feel like I can remember the words. Never mind. So it's this one right here, and as you can see, first of all, my eyes are brown, so it's kind of a dark brown eyes, and this is on dark brown eyes, and you can see the color is so beautiful and so vivid. And I am in front of a big window in like morning time, of course, so all this is natural lighting. So I always do this kind of a lenses review without makeup. I don't have any makeup on, just have a little bit of like a cheek tint and lip tint, or lip balm, not even lip tint, it's a lip balm, to like add a little bit of color, but I don't have anything on my eyes, so you can see how it looks on a pair eyes or without any makeup, so you can see the true beauty of the lens itself. So this one in front of big window, so it's natural lighting on a darker brown eyes, and this is how it looks. It looks so beautiful. Looks so beautiful. It's just like it's so big, and the color is like you feel it. It's like a green, or kind of a dark green mixed with gray, give you this natural green color of eyes. So I really love it so much. And second thing, it's kind of big one, really give the illusion of having a bigger pupil or bigger iris. Yeah, it's bigger iris. So have a bigger iris, or the colored lens itself, because I can have kind of a smaller iris, give the illusion that I have more smaller eye than it should be. So it's kind of make my eyes looks a little bit bigger without any makeup on. Of course, with mascara, with makeup, my eyes bulbs up and looks bigger than bigger than normal. But with this lens, give it that illusion of having a bigger eye without even doing anything to my eye, which is beautiful. I really love it. And I love this big pupil or big vision opening, because the smaller one, like cider green, it took me some time to get used to it, and sometimes when I really in kind of a low lighting situation, I feel that shadow, but I don't like it that much. I like the big pupil or big vision opening kind of lens, because it doesn't like come in front of you even in the darker places, especially when you go now at evening, in dark time, like clubs or anything. The light is so dim, you can't see anything barely, and you don't need any shadow in front of your eyes, like in the vision opening. You need to see, especially in dark lighting, your pupil begin to open up to collect the light from the surroundings, so you can see better in the dark lighting or dim lighting. So when this happens, this big opening of the pupil opening really helps when your natural pupil dilated and begin to widen up to see better. You don't have the colored lens itself in front of your vision, so you can see in shadow. I love this about any lenses, and this is one, like the second thing that I search for. One, it's bigger, makes my eyes like bulb, make my iris bigger, and the second thing, the pupil or the vision opening is big, so I can see in dim lighting. And it's really comfortable, to be honest. It's really comfortable. I stayed with it the whole day. To be honest, the whole day, from 6 a.m. until it was like about like 7 or 8 p.m. I didn't take off. I didn't put any kind of like eye drops or anything. And it was just like, I feel it's nothing. I can't feel anything in my eyes. That's why I love Hypnose so much. It's not my first one. I have multiple reviews about other. I have two. This is the third one, I guess. Really love it because it's so light. You can feel it in your eyes, and it doesn't make your eye like irritated or anything. So I really recommend this brand. It's really amazing, really comfortable, and have a bunch of beautiful colors. I want to have them all. So this is my third one, I guess my third one from it. I really want to have more. I really hope you like this one. And if you have any recommendation for other colors you want me to try because I want to buy another one, let me know in the comment section down below. I would be so happy to buy it for you and to show you on darker brown eyes how it looks in natural lighting. So if you love this kind of videos, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. And I hope this video was very helpful for you. And I love you so much. Bye.